This shit is getting intense right now.
Controller feels a little weird.
Damn. God. Round one is
Please
over.
don't. Shut up.
He said shut up.
Please don't.
Round two, here we go. Oh. What? Is Joe playing with his eyes closed? Is that even real? Oh my god. There goes half your life. Ooh, there goes another portion of your life. Oh.
Okay. You got lucky.
You got lucky.